What are crypto ETFs? You've probably seen the headlines hailing them as one of the biggest developments in crypto history. And it isn't just hype. Crypto ETFs show how crypto and traditional finance are no longer at odds. They're increasingly connected, making crypto easier and more accessible for everyday investors. But what actually are they? And do they really matter? I'm Bola, back in the Binance Studios, and today we're talking crypto ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's a type of investment fund designed to track the performance of a specific asset or a group of assets. The idea is simple. You can invest in something without having to own it directly. Picture it like this. Instead of buying a single stock, you buy a slice of a basket filled with assets. That basket could be stocks, bonds, or commodities like gold. And because ETFs are listed on stock exchanges, you can trade them just like shares. You get liquidity, transparency, and diversification all in one. Traditional ETFs have been around since 1990 and have since grown into a multi-trillion-dollar industry covering almost every sector you can imagine. Getting them for crypto, though, was a long journey. Financial firms pushed for years, arguing that they would offer investors a safer, regulated way to gain exposure to digital assets. The first breakthrough came in 2021 with futures-based crypto ETFs. But what everyone was really waiting for was a spot ETF, one that holds actual crypto. After years of back and forth with regulators, the breakthrough finally came in January 2024, when the first spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved in the United States. Just a few months later, the SEC also greenlit spot Ethereum ETFs. And by 2025, many new crypto ETF applications were in motion, opening the floodgates for mainstream investment. Today, it's not just about Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. A Dogecoin ETF has even launched, and there are proposals for Solana and other altcoins, showing how quickly the market is expanding. But with all the hype, many investors are asking, what's the point of buying a crypto ETF when you could just buy crypto itself? For most people, it comes down to simplicity and familiarity. With a crypto ETF, you don't need to open a crypto exchange account or figure out how to store your coins. You just log into your brokerage and buy it as if it were a stock. It feels familiar, it's straightforward, and because it's a regulated product, it gives many investors peace of mind. That's not to say that buying crypto directly isn't secure. It just has different trade-offs. When you own the asset yourself, you can do much more with it. You can stake it, transfer it, or use it across the wider crypto ecosystem. And because the crypto markets never close, you can trade 24/7. Unlike ETFs, which can only be traded during stock market hours. ETFs also come with management fees, and you can't use the underlying crypto for anything beyond investment. But in return, you get simplicity and the added oversight of securities regulations. Direct crypto trading is also regulated, depending on the exchange and the country that you're in, but ETFs come with an extra layer of compliance that appeals to some investors. Even if crypto ETFs aren't for you, there's no denying the benefits that they bring. They increase awareness and trust. They bring in investors who might never have touched crypto otherwise, and ultimately, add liquidity and demand to the broader market. All of this strengthens the case for crypto as a permanent part of the global financial system. So, should you invest in a crypto ETF? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're new to crypto or you want a simple exposure inside a regulated framework without worrying about wallets or private keys, then ETFs could make sense. But if you value direct control, potentially lower fees, and participation in the ecosystem itself, then buying crypto directly or through a trusted exchange might be the better choice. So what's your take? Would you go for a crypto ETF or stick with owning the coins yourself? And beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, which crypto do you think should get an ETF next? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.